Yo, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Ty. It's like 10:55 at night, and I have a question. So, have you ever been up, right, late night, just chilling, watching random videos, and you come across some random shit, and you're like, yo, this is crazy. So, these are one of these moments, right? So, there's this thing called chart art. Apparently, people are using, the TradingView charts as like Photoshop. So I'm just gonna switch right to it, and we're gonna get right into some of this chart art and react to it. Now, some of this stuff is like elite, and some of this stuff is like mediocre. Like the watermelon stuff is pretty mediocre, right? Pretty mediocre. And then what makes it chart art is you can actually click it and move it. It's real. It's on the chart. Like they draw it inside of TradingView. So here's some crazy shit right here. Like quick crypto Wolf Alley. This is by this guy's name is FX Crown. This is done in 2018. He did this on the Bitcoin chart, feel me? But this is crazy. Like, what actual art on the charts? Like, official chart art. Now, like I said, now that I've seen crypto art, right? I've seen, foreign exchange art, but not necessarily, on the chart. So what makes this unique, right? What makes this unique in its own form of, creativity, and what actually makes it chart art is it's done, on this platform and on the chart. So, like I said, really, really interesting. I wouldn't say it's a new form of art because if you look at the dates, well, you can't see the date at this the top when I, exit out. You'll see the date and you'll be like, yo, this is back 2018, and I'm pretty sure they had previous chart art to this, but I've seen even better ones than this. So this one's really, really cool and amazing. Right now, like I said, rate it 1 through 5. Is it hot or not? In the comment section. This is all part of a larger agenda. They were able to draw some Breaking Bad, COVID-19 stuff on the charts. I think this is pretty dope. For me, this is pretty dope. Some pretty dope chart art. Like I said, man, it's super dope to see the creativity that people actually have. Like this is like the the regular stuff I was talking about. Nothing really popping, just some regular chart art. All right, and this was 1 day ago, so you can see the dates and stuff like that. Let's look for some dope ones though. I've seen some crazy ones, right? So we're gonna go ahead and keep scrolling until we find some. Okay, this one's pretty dope. But they actually drew him on the chart. And then you can see, and you're like, oh, well, I want to see if it's real. You go literally scroll on the eyeball, and you can see it's different piece on the eye, different piece on the teeth. That's how they did the teeth. It shows the shadows, all the different things on there, all the different layers, and that's what makes it chart art. I guess that's like the beauty in it, people are drawing literally with the mouse and keyboard. You know what I'm saying? Some people, I guess they may have tablets and pens and stuff like that, but I'm sure, a lot of the artists are just, pretty much going on the keyboard and just freehanding it just like this, Like this is really dope. This is really dope right here. They got the bear, the bear who knocked out the bull and the bull in the ring. Hey, bull versus bear weather, that's hard as fuck. That shit tight. This was tight, this was tight. This was tight. Like I said, like we just vibing right now. You know what I'm saying? Like go ahead, roll up your joint right now, some late night vibes. I got a video coming out where, I was actually profitable using some chart art, you know what I'm saying? So I'll be uploading that video right now. Like I said, it's 10:55, so in the morning you guys be catching that upload. This is just a late night upload. We vibing, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully you rock with the vibe, you know what I'm saying? Because like this is what it is over here, just vibes and Ty, you know what I'm saying? Like sometimes it be story time, sometimes it be other things, but just that late night vibe, you know what I'm saying? I love YouTube as a platform because you can just drop videos, being yourself, and enjoying dope stuff like chart art. So let's get back to the chart art. In the comment section, comment where you're from. Comment where you're from. So here's some Angry Bird chart art right here. This is really dope, like Angry Bird. Look at the detail on this. Look at the detail on it though. Look at the detail. You feel me? So now let's get to some detailed, some pretty much some detailed ones. So 3D joints. That's pretty dope. They had 3D joint cracking. You feel me? So I guess this is some real chart art. Some like they're taking it to a new level, right? This is a new level, taking it to a new level. Okay. You got Kobe right here. R.I.P. Kobe. All right, here goes some other ones. Whoa. Okay, so now we're getting to some crazy stuff, right? Check this out. They really have this thing drawn out on the fucking chart, and like I'm stretching it because that's the art. Like it's official chart art. You know what I'm saying? And they basically saying, you know, dodge to the moon. You see how they got the moon over here. Then they drew the, you know, the Doge little dog right there. So I mean, in a sense, you could trade the Doge to the moon pattern. You know what I'm saying? Like, I think that's pretty dope. This is crazy. Yo, look at the detail in this, right? Literally just came in this program and just said, fuck the charts. I'm just gonna use this because, so when you're trading, what do traders do when they're bored? Obviously make chart art. Obviously make chart art. This is a whole different department of just, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, a lot of people didn't think that, you know, some of the traders were talented, and a lot of these traders are extremely talented. You know, now we're just enjoying the chart art, enjoying the, you know, the talent. So that was this page, right? But if you just type in chart art, let's just go to trading ideas. All right, there we go. There, we got some better ones right here. Check this one out. Look at the detail on bro. Look at the detail on bro. You feel me though? Do you feel me though? Crazy. You feel me? All right, the Grinch. Look at the detail. Like, let's really go in. You can really go in and see the detail on the Grinch. Like the different colors, the different, like this artist, his name is what's his name? Anon Invest. Crazy. Anonymous teacher. I guess he teaches how to trade silver and draw in charts. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, look at this shit. Orangutan ape, like next level. You feel me? So if you see the orangutan ape pattern, and look at how bro is literally just dropping down, like bro. So obviously, you feel me? You see the ape pattern, then it's gonna drop off the hand. You feel me? And then go down to the leaf, and then you take profit at the leaf in the mouth. Like simple, right? Oh shit, it's pretty dope. Yo, look at this right here though. Yo, Catwoman, hey, this is crazy. Yo, like I said, these people are extremely talented. They are literally doing what you would do in Photoshop, right? Inside of fucking TradingView. Literally, we got some of the most talented people in the industry over here. Some of the most talented creatives. You know what I'm saying? Some of the most talented creatives. You have to be, you know? But look at this right here. That Catwoman is crazy. Yo, okay, let's see what else. Some more ideas. All right, this is pretty. I don't know. I was about to say tether printing machine. I was trying to see, but that's, you know, that was ass cheeks. Like I said, some are mediocre, some are, yo, whoa, yo, hey, do you feel me though? Inside of the fucking charts though, like how long, yo, chat, how long do you think it took them to make this? To be honest, I think they did this shit fast though. You feel me? I think they probably did this shit maybe like an hour, 2 hours, if even that long. This is amazing though. And then like I said, it's official chart art. It's on the chart. You can move it. It's official. You know what I'm saying? This shit fire. They got a girl on the surfboard, fucking, well, on the waveboard, you know what I'm saying? On the little joint. You feel me? Going up, surfing Bitcoin. Next level shit. Next level shit. Yo, I just traded one of these and made bread off of it. That's what the video is on. So in the video I'm uploading today, I made money off of a fucking Bart Simpson pattern. You feel me? So that's a real pattern. It works. You feel me? I tested it and it worked and I made bread. So it's pretty dope. Yo, let's look at this. Okay. I mean, this is pretty dope. This is pretty sick. You feel me? Usually, I like the black and white artwork. Really, really dope lines, you know? Really, really dope lines. They're really good at what they do. Crypto Feed. Shout out to Crypto Feed 6. Shout out to Crypto Feed 6. Yo, check this out, though. Bandu, Wile E. Coyote, you feel me? On the charts. This is literally on the charts, though. That's the thing. It's on the charts. So you can move it up and down. Chat, what do y'all think about this? Let me know. Let me know, Trade Gang, for real, let me know. Because to me, this is fucking amazing. This is like next level. You know, for somebody to have this on their charts, like, I think it's crazy that somebody really went in and drew this joint out. You know what I'm saying? I drew out a Bart, but like it wasn't as detailed as some of these paintings. Like I said, if you click, you see how you could change the face and stuff like that. But this is pretty dope. I think he drew himself. You feel me? He probably drew himself in here. But hey, my guy Eminem, you feel me? My guy Eminem. So let's see what else we got. Like I said, this to me, this shit is crazy. Like Like, I don't know. It gets me excited just to see, that there are other creators doing extremely creative stuff. You feel me? And I think that's like the best part of this. I'm looking for some really, really dope ones. We get into some dope ones right now. You feel me? Check out some really, really dope ones. But in the chat, if you still rocking, you feel me? Just go ahead and drop that like, drop that sub. You get some dope content like this. You probably didn't know, you feel me? This department, even existed. And now you're like, yo, that exists, like it exists. You feel me? So let's keep rolling, let's keep rolling. Boom, look at this shit right here. Yo, this is insane. And to think, like, this is somebody's charts. How do you read? Well, I mean, obviously it's Dogecoin. You feel me? So first, you just gotta find you a good position. Maybe you take the trade on the purple and you up out of here. You know what I'm saying? Yo, so now we talking about some realism. Okay, so, yo, do you see the shadows on this shit? Man, hey, come on now. Look at the 3D though. Look at the 3D though. You gotta fuck with whoever did this. My guy Pixie, he did this in 2017. You feel me? But look at the art. Look at the 3D. I can zoom in. Feel me? I'm zooming in on him right now. Zoom in. Like, come on now. What? That is insane. Man, fucking might get hired by Pixar. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying though. Especially if you're able to, do something like that in this program, shit. Imagine what he's doing outside of this. I'm looking for more chart art. You feel me? The oldest one that I've seen dates back to 2017. So I'm pretty sure there's probably more than that. You know what I mean? But I have to really scroll through here and see. This is like 2015. Like I said, oh, here it is, 2015. So it's like the early stages of chart art right here. You feel me? Early stages. Niggas just getting bored drawing houses. You feel me? Getting bored drawing houses and shit. Like, I think that's really crazy. But yeah, like I said, we'll find more. 2015, that's where we're going back to. If you did research, you probably find some crazier ones like this. But this isn't like, it's not as detailed as some of the detailed ones we've seen. This is 2014. You feel me? So it dates back to 2014. We're going, even further back. So really, we're doing research right now. Watch me doing some live research, you know what I'm saying? As we just really scroll back to see how far it goes back. As of now, the furthest we, oh, okay, hold on. Yo, I was about to say NFTs, but this says 1 week ago. So this is 2013, right? It's December 2013. It's not too much, too crazy. This is, what is this? 2017. This is March 6th, but this is recent. But let's just check this out. Like, whoa. Do you see this? You feel me? On Ethereum, like. And really, it's a whole dude laying down, reading a book. A whole dude laying down, reading a book. You feel me? Bro, reading a whole ass book. Like, craziness. Assassin's Creed, that's 2020. Okay, that's new. Like I said, I was just trying to scroll back and see how far we were going. This is insane. Like, first off, we gotta appreciate the detail. Second off, if you see, each one of this is like little pieces. So they've done this inside of this program. Okay? You gotta appreciate that shit. For one thing, even if you don't like art, you gotta appreciate that. This is crazy. Like, you feel me? And you probably seen this one as my icon. You know what I'm saying? I fucked with this one. This was by Cash Only. This is one of my favorite pieces right here. You feel me? This piece is crazy. I don't know. Like I said, this piece is crazy. Literally, I don't know. I might even get this piece printed out, blow up, put in my house just because it's chart art. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. I'm gonna fuck with this joint right here. I think this is pretty dope. You feel me? It's pretty dope. Yo, okay, 1 week ago, zombie on the chart, Bitcoin zombie. Oh, yo, so if the price just held, you feel me? You basically sell out the beard right here and you cash out the hand. Easy call, you know what I'm saying? But nah, this is pretty dope. So, chat, whoa. Check this out. This was a day ago. Now, from a distance, it looks like it looks real, like a real picture. Then you click on it, you can see, the different elements. But still, man, this is freaking amazing. Come on now. You gotta get an artist their props for this. Like, You got fucking Tony Hawk skating the fucking chart. Tony Hawk. Come on, y'all. Whoa. Booty, butt, cheeks. You know I gotta click on those. But look, check this out. So you got this Bitcoin dude doing this moon landing on Bitcoin. I think this is pretty solid right here. Oh man, I don't know how I clicked on that. This is by cash only as well. I mean, bro goes in with the chart art. Obviously, my man is experienced chart artist and experienced chart artist. You know what I'm saying? So he goes in, with the chart art. I think this is like next level. To be honest. But yeah, so it's your boy Ty. You feel me? I'm scrolling through trying to. Whoa, wait a minute. Yo, this is crazy. Yo, this is crazy. Come on now. Come on now. You feel me? Come on now. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Come on, Chad. You gotta fuck with me here. You gotta see what I see right here. This is amazing. This like I feel like the game is elevating and going to a new level. This is where it's at. Like you can, the market is allowing people to be fucking artists. You feel me? Drawing wise, musical wise. Y'all know I do the Forex music, stock market music shit. You know what I'm saying? Like music wise, shit. And then even be a great trader as well. It's so many different opportunities, you know what I'm saying, that it's just allowing. So many different opportunities that it's allowing that it's just, it's crazy. Yo, this is pretty dope, bro. Holding some shit, like holding that little joint right there. But yeah, whoa, wait a minute. Yo, this is crazy. Yo, check this shit out. All right. Like I said, man, it's official because you can move it. You can scroll over and shit like this. This is crazy. Official chart art. Let me know right now in the chat what you feel about this right here. Like I said, I feel like, this is the next level. This is the future right here. You feel me? This is the future right here. I'm fucking with it. 1000%. You feel me? But yo, it's your boy Ty, man. So if you fuck with this video, then like, comment, subscribe. We out. Peace.